Hello friends, today I'm gonna create my Diwali nails. I was waiting for a long time to create my Diwali nails. This is gonna be my first time to have the nail extensions in festival season because I just started to doing these stuff in few months ago and that time the Diwali had gone. And this is gonna be my first time so I can't drop any chance to get my nails done for Diwali. I'm creating them before because I'll be busy in other things and I have to make video for you. I can't make them in near days of Diwali. They took so much time and I have to edit the video too. So I decided to make them before and apply later on Diwali. I'll post later in which I'll show you my whole outfit with matching nails. I am very excited for this. You can take the ideas from my video and I'll be more happy if you DM me your nails on my Instagram. These nails are going to be mirror work nails because I saved some small mirrors for this particular theme and will place them on these nails. I'm painting the nail red because my outfit color is red and I'll make the similar design which I have on my outfit. So watch full video without any skip. So these are done. Look at the shine and pretty mirror at the center. I'm so happy that I made my nails according to my festive outfit and love them. See you in my next video. Bye.